My dear friends, has this happened to you? You wake up in the morning, look out the window, see the beautiful sunshine, and think to yourself, "Today I will go walk, move freely, and enjoy the fresh morning air." But when you start climbing stairs or walking, even for just a few minutes, your legs feel heavier, your breath comes shorter now. Perhaps a pain in your knees or in your back, or fatigue makes you say, "Not today, maybe tomorrow." This is not unique. Many over 60 face these moments every single day. But what if there was a natural, simple secret, present around us for centuries, that can help restore energy, protect your heart and brain, and even rebuild muscles naturally? Imagine with me. You can walk with your grandchildren without stopping every minute. Imagine climbing stairs lightly without annoying knee pain. Imagine sitting at dinner, feeling satisfied and happy, because you gave your body exactly what it needs. And here is the amazing part. It does not require expensive medicines or supplements, nor complex diet programs, nor exhausting exercises after 60. The solution is already in our daily meals, something natural, possibly right in your kitchen now without knowing its value. Before I reveal the secret, let me say this. If this content matters and you want practical tips, easy steps based on research, do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This simple support from you keeps us sharing helpful content made just for you, my dear friends. Now let's return to the story. You may wonder, why are some people 70, 80, full of energy and vitality while others struggle to move? The secret is not just genetics or luck. It is simple daily choices that we make ourselves. And here comes the exciting part. 7 types of natural leaves. Yes, simple plant leaves can change your life. These leaves truly protect the heart, reduce fatigue, nourish the brain, support memory and mental health, help rebuild muscles naturally so you do not lose strength. Imagine supporting your body naturally without complications. Imagine adding small leaves to breakfast or dinner, and slowly your body regains energy and strength. You will notice a difference in just a few weeks. Sleep becomes deeper, mornings easier to wake, walking feels enjoyable again. Visiting grandchildren is joyful, not tiring anymore. But I won't spoil all the surprises now. Today, we take this journey step by step together, discovering 7 powerful leaves. I will explain why they are important after age 60, how they work naturally inside your body, easily. I will share practical examples, how to add leaves to daily meals easily, simple recipes anyone can make, even creative ways to use them while cooking, shopping, walking. Believe me, dear friends, no major changes needed, no hard decisions required. Just small steps, simple habits, and more awareness for your body. I am here today to share this secret, not just theory, but a practical tool you can use immediately, daily. Stay with me until the end. What you learn soon could change your view of food, health, and life after 60 completely. First, healthy food for seniors. This probably happened to you when you opened the fridge looking for something nutritious, something that gives energy and strengthens your muscles. Maybe you felt lazy after walking a little, or noticed weakness climbing stairs. What if there was a natural, simple solution right in your kitchen now? My dear friends, the first food today is spinach. Yes, spinach. It may seem simple, but it is powerful. After 60, it really matters. Recent studies show seniors eating 100 grams daily feel 15% stronger. Muscles improve in 8 weeks. Not only that, blood pressure improves, memory also gets better. Spinach is rich in magnesium, iron, and vitamin K. These support bones, muscles, heart. Also, antioxidants fight inflammation. Natural inflammation from aging. Good news, it's easy to add daily. Best way to eat? Lightly steamed or briefly boiled. Avoid frying or heavy sauces. Add a little olive oil and lemon for flavor. Prepare morning or evening to simplify daily meals. Did you know? Splitting spinach into 2 meals is better for digestion. Half for breakfast, half for lunch or dinner helps absorb iron and magnesium. Imagine starting your day with a small spinach plate. Feel energy moving through your body, Walk easily without fatigue. Move without joint pain. Playing with grandchildren becomes fun. Practical tip, always buy fresh spinach only. Avoid wilted, watery leaves. Wash well before cooking. Store in fridge tightly for 2 to 3 days. Friends, the secret is not one-time eating. Daily consistency matters. Even a small amount daily, 50 to 100 grams, makes a big difference in weeks. Best of all, combine spinach with familiar meals like scrambled eggs, soup, salad. No strict complex diet, just a natural, easy routine. Wondering about other leaves? Don't worry. We'll reveal all secrets in the full video. For now, focus on this first step. Start with spinach. Notice energy and movement in just a few days. Before the next leaves, remember, if you enjoyed this, press like and comment, share your spinach experience, subscribe and activate the bell to get full healthy secrets. Believe me, friends, this small leaf is just the beginning. With simple commitment, it can become the cornerstone of a strong, healthy routine after 60 years old. Second healthy food for seniors. Kale is one of the strongest leaves. After 60, it really matters. Full of powerful antioxidants, it protects the heart naturally every day. It supports brain health and memory, strengthens muscles and bones, reduces inflammation in the body, and helps seniors feel stronger. Studies show seniors eating 70 grams of kale daily improve blood vessel flexibility by 20% within just 2 months. It also lowers high blood pressure naturally, meaning a stronger heart and a more active brain every day.
Preparation is very simple. Lightly steam or briefly boil. Avoid frying or heavy sauces. Add a few drops of lemon and olive oil for benefits. A little paprika or pepper gives a special flavor safely. Kale can mix easily with your regular meals. Add to soups or salads or scrambled eggs anytime. Prepare in advance, store in the fridge for a few days, making your daily routine effortless. Ideal daily amount, 50 to 100 grams. Even half a small cup creates a noticeable difference in weeks. Your body feels more energetic, walking becomes easier, joints lighter, and muscles gradually regain strength. Kale is not just a leaf. It is real, natural food. Protects the heart, strengthens the brain, supports muscles after 60. The secret is consistency and portion. No complex recipes needed. Imagine after 2 weeks adding kale regularly every day. Wake up full of energy. Move lightly, walking or stairs. Muscles respond naturally again. Daily activities become enjoyable, not exhausting anymore at all. Kale can combine with spinach to maximize overall benefits, but regular kale alone makes a big difference naturally. This simple step builds a strong foundation for muscles, heart, and mind after 60 years old. Third healthy food for seniors, moringa leaves are full of protein, support muscles, and build strength naturally. After 60, it really matters. They contain calcium, iron, and essential vitamins, strengthen bones and joints, reduce fatigue, and help daily energy feel better, fast. Studies show seniors eating 30 to 50 grams daily increase muscle strength by 12% within just 6 weeks. They also reduce mild joint inflammation, and brain benefits improve focus and memory, gradually. Preparation is very simple. Add leaves to soups or smoothies, salads, anytime. Light boiling or steaming preserves nutrients. Avoid frying or heavy sauces. A little lemon juice or olive oil enhances flavor naturally and safely. A practical way to consume daily. Split the quantity across 2 meals. Half at breakfast, half at lunch or dinner. Can prep in advance, store airtight in fridge for 2 days. Imagine starting your morning with a glass of moringa smoothie. Feel energy renewed instantly. Walking becomes easier daily. Household chores feel lighter. Daily tasks less tiring. Important tip, make moringa daily. Even a small amount daily creates a big difference in weeks. Combine with spinach and kale to boost benefits and multiply effect naturally. Moringa leaves are more than food. They are a natural supplement for heart, brain, and bones. They make the body flexible and strong naturally. After 60, consistency matters most. Proper prep and simple daily intake is the real secret. Imagine after 1 month including moringa in your routine. Daily activity increases noticeably. Mild joint pain decreases. Muscles regain natural strength. Heart works more efficiently. Mood and daily energy improve. Moringa today is an essential step in a practical, easy senior routine. Combined with other leaves, the body becomes stronger and healthier. Enjoy daily activities with ease and happiness. Fourth, healthy food for seniors. Mint leaves are not just for flavor. They bring strong health benefits. They improve digestion, reduce bloating, support focus and memory, reduce fatigue, and are anti-inflammatory, helping joints move freely. Studies show seniors adding 5 to 10 leaves daily improve digestion by 25% within just 2 weeks. They also notice small improvements in alertness and focus, and even mild daily headaches reduce naturally. The best way to use mint? Add to hot tea or cold water anytime. Mix with salads or fresh juices. A little lemon juice boosts benefits. A practical daily method. A few leaves in morning water or add to lunch or dinner. Chew leaves after meals to reduce bloating and feel lighter. Imagine starting your morning with refreshing mint water. Wake up full of energy. Your stomach digests food easily. Joints feel less stiff. Walking and daily activities become easier. Mint is small but powerful. It makes your daily routine enjoyable. Gives a natural feeling of activity. Playing with grandchildren, climbing stairs feels lighter. The secret is consistency. Daily. Even a small amount makes a difference. Combine with previous leaves, spinach, kale, moringa, to boost benefits. Your body resists fatigue better and stays active naturally after 60. Mint leaves are more than a spice. They are a natural tool for digestion, energy, and movement. Regular use improves physical activity, reduces joint stress, and increases daily energy levels. Fifth healthy food for seniors? Curry leaves are more than a spice. They are natural heart and brain protectors. They help lower cholesterol gradually, reduce bad fats, improve circulation, and support memory and attention naturally. Studies show seniors eating 8 to 10 leaves daily lower cholesterol by 10% within just 6 weeks. Memory and focus improve too. Stronger heart, clearer mind. Results you can feel. Preparation is very simple. Add to soups or salads. Cook with rice or steamed vegetables. A little olive oil or lemon enhances taste and benefits. A practical daily method. Add fresh leaves to lunch or mix with light yogurt. Chew directly after meals to aid digestion and prevent bloating. Imagine using curry leaves. Feel lighter after meals, energy higher throughout the day, sharper memory, better focus, walking easier with improved circulation. Curry leaves are small but powerful. They work quietly, protecting the heart, feed the brain, help muscles, and make the body more flexible and healthy after 60 years old. The secret is daily consistency, small amount at each meal. Over time, the body responds naturally. Combine with spinach, kale, moringa, and mint to multiply benefits naturally. Create a diverse, useful daily routine, a foundation for an active, comfortable life after 60, with simple steps. Sixth healthy food for seniors? Beet greens are more beneficial than imagined. They contain natural nitrates that expand blood vessels, improve blood flow, and lower pressure. They supply muscles with oxygen, reduce fatigue, and a recent study shows seniors eating 80 grams daily lower systolic pressure by 7 points within just 4 weeks. They can walk longer distances without exhaustion, with a stronger heart and more powerful muscles. Beet greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, support immunity, keep bones strong, and contain fiber that aids digestion. A complete, nutritious food after 60. Preparation is very easy. Steam, lightly or briefly boil. Add a little oil and lemon. Avoid fatty sauces or heavy dressings. A practical daily method. Add to salad or soup. Mix with eggs or rice. Split quantity across 2 meals. Consume 70 to 100 grams daily. Imagine after a few weeks. Stable blood pressure. Easier stair climbing. breathing easier, walking longer, renewed energy for daily activities. Beet greens are more than plant scraps. They are a true nutritional powerhouse for heart and brain and give muscles what they need. After 60, small details matter. The secret is not one-time eating. Make beet greens part of your routine, and with consistency, notice a clear difference in energy and health over time. Combine beet greens with spinach, kale, moringa, mint, and curry, and your daily diet becomes stronger. This simple step adds years of activity and comfort. 7th healthy food for seniors. Parsley is more than a garnish. It is one of the strongest plants for health after 60. Rich in vitamin C, it fights inflammation, supports immunity, and strengthens gums and teeth naturally. Vitamin K protects bones, prevents fractures and osteoporosis. Just 2 tablespoons daily cover the full daily requirement, critical for seniors' health. Parsley also contains powerful antioxidants that protect the brain from cognitive decline, support memory and focus naturally, and give independence and confidence in life. Recent studies show seniors eating parsley regularly have more stable blood pressure, better heart health by 20% thanks to potassium and flavonoid content. Preparation is very simple. Add fresh to salads, sprinkle over soups and stews, mix with lemon juice and olive oil for a refreshing, flavorful dressing. Best daily use method? Chop fresh parsley in the morning. Spread across 2 or 3 meals. Avoid overcooking to preserve vitamins. Store wrapped in a damp cloth in the fridge. Imagine after a few weeks of routine, stronger teeth and gums, balanced blood pressure, stronger bones, energy to play with grandchildren. Parsley is not an ordinary plant. It is a natural medicine, daily, supporting heart, brain, muscles, and bones, and giving a feeling of freshness and vitality. The real secret is simplicity. Adding a small handful daily creates a big difference over time. Combine with other healthy leaves, beet greens, moringa, kale, spinach, curry, and turn your diet into a natural shield against weakness and fatigue after 60. Now, let's pause a moment. Imagine each leaf we shared. Each one gave you strength, supported heart, brain, muscles, and brought you closer to comfort. My dear friends, you now know the secret. Food is not just food. Food is medicine, life, youth. Each leaf gives energy, increases flexibility, and protects your health. But this is only the beginning. What if I told you there are other foods, stronger than you imagine, that work deeply inside your body, fix what time has damaged, and restore balance step by step? Imagine yourself after months, walking lightly without pain, climbing stairs easier naturally, laughing with grandchildren confidently, sleeping deep, peaceful sleep, and waking up full of energy. It is possible, yes, possible, but it needs an extra secret. I will reveal it in the next episode. Not just green leaves, but amazing other foods that work together as a strong team, giving you a truly different life. Believe me, the surprise is coming. You won't believe how simple the solution is. You won't believe the powerful results. Wait for the next video eagerly. You'll discover practical recipes, daily tips, easy to apply secrets no one told you. Before we leave, remember this. Change starts with a small step. Today you added a healthy leaf. Tomorrow, add a new habit. Over days, your life changes, becomes stronger, calmer, happier, naturally. My friends, this is our journey, a health journey after 60, a journey full of hope and energy, a journey worth continuing together. If you found value today, press like to support us, subscribe to get the next episodes, and activate the bell right away so you don't miss what's coming. Trust me, the next part is much more. The secrets haven't started yet. Stay with us. Surprises are coming.